Oh my goodness, how you guys been? I've been having such a splendid time. I thought I'd bring you along here, but I gotta just club this multiple times. I could just put it back together because I don't think there's anything wrong. I don't want to pull it apart and clean it up and get everything copacetic and give her the how you doing, you know how it is. But yeah, where's my tripod? Oh, relentless in the clicking noises. Holy suffering. Oh, my Creepner, my new one. Oh, luxurious. Luxurious. Ah, you're gonna hit it like a real boy. Friggin' soon loosed and paint up those bastardos. Oh, he's alive, boys! Boys, he made her!
Look, my neck even works and everything.
Oh, was it just dicked?
No, I was good.
Oh,
I was good.
just relaxed, eh?
And I just hit the couch at 12:30, man. All the lights were still, everything was still on.
That's awesome. Holy, somebody's making a relentless clicking noise. Eh? You heard that clicking noise? Huh? Oh, you're just burning your bike, zero throwing it in the wood smelter?
Yeah.
No good?
No, I just got to put air in the tires and shit. Yeah, I don't know what. That's kind of fancy dancy shit on that.
Look at the beamery they used, eh?
Yeah.
That's like tongue and groove construction.
It is.
With a bolt. Eh? they didn't use very good bolts, eh?
No,
They're just flathead screw bolts.
yeah.
Well, fire ban's been lifted, boys. Got no more fire dicks in Inwood, so let her eat. Expect it. We'll come back in a couple hours, see how she is. Oh, goodness gracious. Wow. Look at the schmut in there. Oh, goodness gracious.
Oh, the clutch was almost working. It was like borderline. I had another half inch to go. I tried to give a few more turns and
Off she comes?
she snapped. So I don't know if we could do that completely out of just a threaded rod.
Shit. Just do a quick little thub to cobble tuck here. Hey, we're still working on wheel horses. Custom. Did you get her 2/3 dicked?
Okay.
Is she 2/3 dicked?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to pull that out. I'm gonna have to pull that right out of there in order to thread it out of there. I'm gonna have to pull this out here.
Where does the bastard? Oh,
threads into that, right? Yeah, I don't need the nut on it, but
She was full torque, and you gave her more torque. I see.
well, I had her moving for a little bit.
I apologize.
Don't think
Well, we just got back from AutoZone, eh? Just a little AutoZone rebuild. They look like bullwinkle horns. Yeah. But, well, that looks a little bit better. It's a little bit moist outside too in Inwood. Not sure if you'll notice. Oh. Splendude. Friggin' dude. Whoa, what's this? Tip a word.
Oh,
What's this pulse crap?
I threw it down when we went for a walk. I thought it
Ooh,
was
yeah, that's not where that goes.
I just forgot. I didn't want to fall on
Not
a
where
boat.
that goes, tip a word. Your Lanta what?
You're my Lanta.
I am your Lanta. Terrible. But yeah, it's just not too bad for standards. Do the old spray tech there and give it a poop and a spray. And yeah, I don't know, maybe we'll do red. Should I do red on the brake antler? It's like red's for stop. You know what I mean? Here, I'll ask the dicks. Should I do red that I sandblasted? Should I do it red? The brake caliper mount?
It's red's for stop.
Because red's for stop. Give a word.
Poor baby horse.
Well, anyways, I found some hub Merlinis, just kind of weasel them out of the deck. Hey, but they're weird though. They're like a one piece. There's not. Yeah, it's not like a sleeve. It's like a it's mucho more better. But he's being stubborn on the price. He's got a bunch of scrap metal and he wants friggin' $500. I told him $300, which is a friggin' steal of a deal on both Accords. And yeah. He quit me. Needs to sleep on it, so I'll work around it. Yeah, I just went to AutoZone there and picked up a Nuda. So friggin' right. So wait till that dries, and then we'll put some red onto it. Fucking right, we will. What happened? Oh, wow. Very hard to breathe, but yeah, if you want to check out different types of the grinder profiles of different types of the Mumpmies, head on over to the One Pug Life Entertainment page on the Facebook there. But I'm just going to shut this off because I got to go inside and let this chooch down a minute. Going to come out, shoot some red on there before the night is done. But wow, I had to go. Oh, did you get that picture, bud?
Why must you make me puke up my how much for some things?
Oh, it's the grinder. It's the grinder meetup photo shoot. Well, I did it again. For frick's sakes, it's just asphyxiate ears freaking here. But we got both the brackets for the caliper or it's caliper stovepipers painted. Wow, it's a freaking good buzz in here. Holy suffering! I'm not gonna have to get on with the abs tonight, I don't think. Goodness, but yeah. So less or more, I suppose. Yeah, we'll get her ready tomorrow. We'll order the bits. Hopefully, we can disapini the other hub Merlinis, because otherwise they're gonna have to press, guys, and that's not gonna work anyway because that one's all wallered out. So either way, we need Nuda. I might have to just friggin' give Buddy what he wants. which is just fucking bullshit. But yeah, it's gonna be my nuda, my squizit, my friggin' wonder word. If you want to be participation in the Patreomics friggin' relentless, friggin' head on over, friggin' stovepipe. We'll have greedies and sundreds fundreds and early friggin' bitches and all type of friggin' extravaganzas. It'll be awesome. There's frig and a stovepipe across the screen there. So friggin' rights, boys. How about a finger fudge on that like button there? A couple bitches from earlier in the week, but there you go, another Dick Parliament pack. Until tomorrow.
Don't the waters get you?